Now what is litmus? Litmus is a naturally occurring purple indicator which is extracted from lichens. When added to an acidic solution it turns red, and when added to a basic solution it turns blue. Now it is available in the form of solution or as strips of paper known as litmus paper. Red litmus paper turns blue, indicating a basic solution, and blue litmus paper turns red, indicating an acidic solution. Now I show you the effect of the litmus paper with acidic or basic solution. Now I am going to show you the reaction of litmus paper with acid and base. So here I have some solutions. This is the tap water, vinegar, sugar solution, baking soda solution, and here lemon juice. And I have two types of litmus paper as I told you in previous videos. One is red litmus paper and second is blue litmus paper. So I am going to show you that effect of the blue litmus paper and red litmus paper with these solutions. So you have to decide whether this solution is acidic or basic. So one by one I am taking, first of all I am taking one red litmus, dipping in tap water. See, you can see no color change. Okay, now you will decide this solution is acidic or base. Same way I am dipping blue litmus paper in tap water. See, again no change. That also. Now vinegar. See, in vinegar also I am dipping blue litmus. See, it turns into red color. So you can decide this vinegar is acidic or base. In previous video I told you litmus will turn blue to red with acid. So you will decide vinegar is acidic or base. At the same way I am dipping red litmus paper in vinegar. See, again no color change. Don't forget to write in table about vinegar, is it acidic or base. Move further. Now next solution is sugar solution. Again I am dipping here red litmus, no color change as you can see. Now time to blue litmus paper. I am dipping in sugar solution. Again no color change. Again and again I am reminding you that note your answer whether the solution is acidic or basic in table. Next is baking soda solution. In baking soda solution I am dipping blue litmus paper. There is no color change in it. Now red litmus in baking soda solution. See, it turns in blue. Move further. Next is lemon juice. In lemon juice, reaction with red litmus paper. You can see nothing happened, no color change. At the same way with blue litmus paper. See, again it color change into red. Okay, now at the end of this I will give you one table. You can note your answers in this table whether this solution is acidic or base. Now students, time to fill your observation in this table. 5 solutions are given: tap water, baking soda solution, sugar solution, vinegar, lemon juice. Second column, effect on red litmus paper. Next, effect on blue litmus paper, and last is inference. Inference means you will write